guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I will be planning in my Big Happy Planner. And since Friday is May 4th, I wanted to use these really cute planner stickers. It's a free printable at 3littleferns.com. I will put the link for it down below. But she has some really cute stickers that you can print and cut. This was my first time using my Cricut Explorer to cut planner stickers, and I ended up not getting them lined up just right, but I think they'll be fine just for my planner. I didn't want to waste my sticker sheet here. I printed it out from my printer, and then I brought the image into Design Space and tried to cut them, and they're like a little bit off. So, but I think it'll be fine. So these are the really cute stickers here. My family loves Star Wars, and we've seen all of the movies. And so anyways, May the 4th is an important day for all those Star Wars fans. So these are really adorable. I left it on here because they're, I'll just pull them off as I go on to put in my planner. So anyway, let's get this stuff cleared off and we will get started. Guys, so here's my final layout. I think it turned out really super cute. Go ahead and check out the link for these free printables down below. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.